Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. You Are My Sunshine. It's a standard old-time country music song and one of the official state songs of Louisiana. The original writer of the song is disputed, but the song was first published and copyrighted in 1940 by Jimmy Davis and Charles Mitchell. Davis was a singer-songwriter in his own right, but he went on to be governor of Louisiana from 1944 to 1948 and again from 1960 to 1964, and he used this song for his election campaign. It's been recorded by over 350 artists. It's been translated into 30 different languages, and it's a particularly great favourite with beginner ukulele players because it's basically a 3-chord song, although I've included a couple more to add interest. I'll sing the song, then I'll go through the chords, the strumming patterns. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamt I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken, so I hung down my head and cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. I'll always love you and make you happy if you will only say the same. But if you leave me and love another, you'll regret it all someday. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You told me once, dear, you really loved me, and that no one could come between. Now you've left me and love another. You have shattered all my dreams. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. As I say, this is a simple 3-chord song, basically. The chord of C, the chord of F, and the chord of G7. But I've added a few extra chords to make it a little bit more interesting. You don't have to use them, but if you want to make it a little bit more interesting, I think this does it. So to start with the chord of C then, you are my sunshine, and I go down to a C major 7, which is just 1 fret lower, and then a C7, which is 1 fret lower again. And you get that nice little rundown going to the F chord. You make me happy when skies are, back to a C chord, grey. You'll never know, dear, how much I love. Now you can stay on the C there if you want, but I like to go to an A minor. I love you. And then back to the C. Don't take my G7 sunshine away. And it's the same for every verse. I particularly like this rundown. C7 is chord 5 in the key of F. It's what's called a secondary dominant 7th. If you want to know more about that, I've done a video on chords and how they're built up. I'll leave a link to it at the end. Otherwise, it's a great song to sing. It's great fun. The strumming pattern is simply enough. It's you cross fingers across there. with the thumb, with floppy fingers going across, and maybe coming back with the thumb. Thing to notice though is it starts on what's called an anacrusis. That is, it doesn't start on the first beat. It starts on the after the third beat of 4 beats in the bar. So it's 1, 2, 3. You are my, and then you start on the first strong beat. Sunshine. So I suggest you just play 1, 2, 3. You are my sunshine. There are various ways you can do that, but that's one way. Great fun to sing. Have a go. Well, as always, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you found it helpful and useful. But whatever you do, and however you do it, have fun.